Spend the day with me as someone who left the corporate job dahil ayoko na talagang magtrabaho at gusto ko na lang maging Disney princess. Charot lang. Hi everyone! So for today, I'll be making a simple and healthy sandwich for breakfast. I bought this avocado in our local supermarket and it's so pricey so I just bought only one. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite meal ko sa lahat guys, yung breakfast. At gigising ka sa umaga na para bang wala ka problema, peaceful lang, wala kang utang, walang lending. So here I just fried egg lang and then I put some salt and then ayan I drained para mawala yung mga mantika at dahil nga nakakaluwag ang amping niya so I add some bacon para magmukha tayong mayaman, diba? For the plating naman I put some mayonnaise and place the avocado on top of it then add the bacon and the egg.